Everybody, hi, Steve here. So hey, I'm driving right now to Home Depot to investigate if they do or do not carry an 8-foot sliding screen door. I found that a lot of people are complaining around the country that they go in to try to buy a sliding screen door there and it's unavailable. So just want to check it out, see what it looks like, as well as the quality of the product. So you know, hopefully I got some good information I can share with you guys, and you know, we'll see. Oh, there's Lowe's. Maybe I'll come check them out after Home Depot. So I'm right here in front of the store. I'm going to go inside and check out the 8-foot sliding screen doors to see if they carry them. Okay, guys, so let's go inside. Goes from 77 and 5/8 up to 80 inch. There's no 8-foot here. Let me ask them. All right, so they didn't give me permission to video in the store. I had to ask, of course. It's a legal issues, but the good thing was I was able to get a quote and lead time on an 8-foot sliding screen door. It's currently taking them 8 to 10 weeks to get one in, and pricing was fair. I will publish that on our article, but it was a great experience going in and understanding what they really have and what's available. So okay, and now I am going to head on over to Lowe's Home Improvement, okay? So after being at Home Depot, now I'm here in front of Lowe's. I'm gonna go inside and check out to see if they have a 8-foot sliding screen door in stock. And you know, see if they have options to also probably order a custom one as well, and check out the lead time just like we did at Home Depot. Okay, so okay, so they had directed me to the sliding screen door section, and I found out that they're out. They have one adjustable here, and it looks a little beat up. They got 2 custom size. They're Tor, and then this other one is custom size as well, and they're all economy. And it's all beat up, so they really can't sell any of these. So you kind of say that they're out of stock. I'm going to imagine that this is because of the material shortages. So it's happening everywhere, and things get trickled in, materials. Therefore, manufacturers have a hard time getting finished product like this to the entire industry, which would also include, you know, stores like Lowe's. Now I'm walking over to go get a quote on the custom sliding screen door. Asked for an 8-foot size. It's funny, when I walked up originally, there were 4 people over here. Now there's not one. Find out where somebody's at. Okay, let's see how long it takes for somebody to come. Press the button. There it goes. Okay, so see, I'm still in the store. I'm walking through the lumber area, drywall area right now. So here's the thing. I asked the lady in the department if she can give me a quote, and she said, well, no, it can be custom ordered, but it'll probably take more than 5 weeks. More than that, she said. So, okay, well, how long? She's like, I don't know. She goes, we don't know right now. So it sounds like we're still having issues with lead times, just like the rest of the world. So I asked, I said, what happened to all the material that's back there? She said, well, we ordered it, but we're still waiting. We've been waiting a long time to get them in. So like, okay, so when are you going to get them in? She goes, I don't know. I said, okay, well, can you give me a price on, I need a 36 by 94 inch sliding screen door. She's like, oh, well, I don't know. She goes, it has to be custom ordered. I'm like, yeah, but I want to order it. And she's like, well, I don't know. So she really didn't know what to do. Then she referred me to the website. She goes, you can probably find it on the website. So I'm gonna check it out. Look at the website, see if that it's available on their website. But either way, it wasn't very much help coming here to Lowe's. Maybe I got the wrong person. I don't know. But we learned quite a bit. So okay, thank you guys. Take care and God bless. So I'm back in the car now, guys. So I talked to this lady in Lowe's, and obviously I didn't really have much information given to me. One thing I did do was I learned that they don't have any screen doors in stock. Secondly, it's going to take more than 5 weeks, which is probably 8 weeks, just like Home Depot, to get a custom screen door made. I couldn't get a price. She referred me to the website. Gonna check it out. I'll research that and share that information with you guys. But overall, what is it that I learned from this process? Let me think here. Well, I've learned that the 8-foot sliding screen door for sure is not carried in the locations at Lowe's and Home Depot. I understand that it's like this nationwide. If you guys hear anything different in your local at your local stores, put it in the comments. Let me know. I'd like to see if maybe geographically across the nation, maybe there could be some 8-foot. But I do know, I'm in California, I'm in the Los Angeles area, and if the screen doors here aren't available in Lowe's, that's a big problem, because there are a lot of new homes, I would say from the early 90s on, that have the 8-foot high sliding glass doors. And one of the things that goes out first on these vinyl sliding glass doors is a screen door, especially because they put in the ones with the plastic, the lower economy with the plastic wheels, and they wear out after time. So it's a high demand for people to replace them, or they if they just can't find the product, obviously they need to go somewhere. So I invite you to visit our website, bestcustomscreens.com, and look up 8-foot sliding screen door. There will be options for you to purchase from. You can get an economy, you could do aluminum sliding screen doors, as well as heavy duty sliding screen doors. So we have a wide selection of screen doors available on the website. And I just wanted to share that with you, obviously, because it's a great option, because they come fully assembled, and we ship nationwide. And right now, our current lead time for the heavy duties, as well as the quality and aluminum sliding screen doors, is about 2 weeks. Okay, so you're going to get it a lot quicker than ordering from a box store like this, from a home improvement store. And then we also have the sizes that they do carry, and plus, if you're interested in doing a screen door kit and assembling it yourself, that's also an option. So okay, hopefully this isn't too much information, but I just I'm really interested in this. It's great information for me to learn, as well as for you guys to know, so that way you don't waste your time having to go from store to store looking and then you can't find it, and then obviously there is a great source for it right online. So you know, and if you are in the Los Angeles area, we could deliver that directly on our truck. So it makes it a lot easier. It's a lot faster in the Los Angeles area, as well as Inland Empire, Orange County, Ventura County. Okay, oh, as well as the Antelope Valley. Okay, so thank you very much. Take care. God bless, and you guys have an awesome week. Take care. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.